BiosControl Excel 2104 is the preservative system that helps you to improve the stability of your formula. It is composed of phenoxyethanol, which offers wide-spectrum microbial protection, and glyceryl undecylenate, which acts both as an emulsifier and an optimizer of the touch of your formula. This product is then recommended in emulsions and makeup. We performed a CTFA microbiological challenge test on leave-on and rinse-off formulas, and in both cases, Excel 2104 was able to reduce the microbial load quickly. You can incorporate it in your formula in the oil phase before the emulsion process at maximum of 70 degrees Celsius, or at the end of the formulation under mixing when the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius. For any further information, doubts, or questions that you might have about BiosControl Excel 2104, do not hesitate to contact us. BiosControl team is here to give you the best support.